cinnamon chili French toast or cinnamon chili sauced French toast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the chili recipes and one of the most delicious of the cinnamon recipes and one of the most different of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the bread recipes and one of the most nutritious of the French toast recipes. Today we're going to make cinnamon chili French toast or cinnamon chili sauce French toast. We have taken 6 slices of bread. Take a slice of bread, apply the chili sauce on the bread. Do this with the next slice. Do this until all the bread slices get a nice coating of chili sauce. We have taken green chili sauce. Put in a spoon of cinnamon powder into a bowl. Pour in half a spoon of chili sauce. Put in salt to taste. Break in the egg to the mixture. Break in the next egg. Mix the cinnamon powder and the chili sauce with the white and the yellow portion of the egg. Thoroughly mix. mix until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now dip the bread piece in the cinnamon chili egg mixture and put it into the pan to fry. Turn it on. And let it fry. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Pour in a little bit more of oil. Spread it onto the pan. Dip the next bread piece into the chili egg cinnamon mixture. Move it around. Let it fry. Turn it on. Turn it over again until golden brown. Do this until all the bread pieces are nicely toasted. And take off the pan and serve. This is the final cinnamon chili French toast or cinnamon chili sauce French toast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chili recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most different of the cinnamon recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.